You got it, babe? We're number 4. What's going on, babe? It don't matter. Sure. It don't matter. You pick. Pick mine. What are we? We're at Hodads, right?
We're at Hodads, right? In Newport?
No, in Ocean Beach.
Ocean Beach, OB.
It's on Newport Street. So
Right.
Yeah.
But we're over at the original one, right?
Yeah, this is the original.
It's the original one. And we ordered a double cheeseburger with, to give you a perspective of how large this burger is. Here's my face. It's at least a third of my face, right?
And that's only half of the burger. Because I got the other half. How big it is.
Massive.
Go ahead, take a bite, babe. Let's see you on camera.
God. Okay, so. Okay, let's see if I can even. Oh my God, there's no way.
He didn't get the top button. You didn't get the top button. All right, I'm gonna enjoy mine off camera, so I'll see you guys later. Come look at it.
It's pretty.
Uh-huh.
It's a good shot.
Taco Tuesday. We'll probably never be for a Taco Tuesday until we're ready to hang up our shoes. Okay. Newport Pizza, L and
I'm always up for some pizza.
huh?
I'm always up for pizza.
Yeah. They got 4.5 stars on Yelp. What is this?
Ace Tattoo.
That's Ace Tattoo, and then this is some. Oh, Mike's Taco Club. There we go. Oh, OB Hotel. Maybe that's the next place we want to stay.
Bet you it's nice.
And see how it's old and very.
That's shit.
California, yeah.
He's gonna turn in here.
He was, but then I think he was trying to bustle you.
Oh yeah, he was.
Bust it.
Damn. The fucking ocean, dude.
Yeah. I'm so glad the weather changed, because this is what I want you to experience.
I'm kind of digging it.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm really digging it. I love the water. This is like living like in Mexico, but not Mexico.
Right.
Look at how blue the water is. Look at how the waves are crashing. It's just dope.
And there's a pier in PB like this that you can walk across. It's like here you just want to be outside. like running to the beach.